everybody. Okay, so we're going on a family vacation. We are using Airbnb to rent our vacation home. Some of you guys might have done that in the past and already know how to use it. Some of you guys might be like, is it legit? Does it really save you money? It totally does. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how we do it. This video is not sponsored. So this is like a real life, we paid for it ourselves. I wanna show you guys like what a typical rental might look like. Should give you guys an idea of how much we saved over hotel. So let's get started. Okay, guys, this place is freaking amazing. It is huge, and I honestly cannot believe what a steal of a deal we got. We even got an extra 20% off through Airbnb through some promotion. I have no idea what it was for, but I will definitely take it. So all the other hotels and motels in the area were either more expensive or around the same price as this, but it was like a 2-bed motel or hotel versus this entire amazing place. Which we can fit at least 2 families here. Typically we like to travel with other families, and I like to do that because it's more fun. But we wanted to get this video done, so we came down by ourselves and just are having an alone family time. But the thing that's great about traveling with other families is you're able to split the cost in half. So then for sure, it's way cheaper than getting a hotel room. And if you have more than 4 or 5 people in your family, you have to buy 2 hotel rooms typically anyway, so then it's double the cost. So a place like this or vacation rental usually saves so much money for families who have more than 4 or 5 people in their family, plus all the extra amenities like the full kitchens and the washer and dryer and all that kind of stuff. It just makes it so worth it to pay about the same price or way cheaper if you split the cost.
The most important thing you can do is actually make sure you look on multiple websites to find the best price for your vacation rental. All the sites, Airbnb, vrbo, all of them, they have different fees and different prices, and homeowners will actually put their vacation rentals on all these different sites to get the most visibility. So it's your job to check these different sites to see who has it the cheapest, and if you have a coupon code, or you can find a coupon code to get it even cheaper. But honestly, the best prices I have ever seen are actually through property management companies. It's like the best way to book a vacation rental directly to the source, to the people who actually run that particular vacation rental. And usually they have a lot of vacation rentals that they manage. So if you can find those sites for the area you want to travel to, they usually have like a website with all of the places they manage, and the fees are a lot less, which means the overall price is a lot cheaper. Another one of my tips is to make sure that you're always checking the sleeping arrangements. Sometimes you might find a 4-bedroom house, but the sleeping arrangements still won't fit your family. So you want to make sure you see if the rooms are double bunk beds, if they're regular bunk beds, what kind of space do they have? Do they have pull-out sofas? And all of that will be listed on the vacation rental listing.
This Airbnb owner even got us a pie as like a thank you for renting with us. So crazy. Not all like home renters do this kind of a thing or include bottled waters, but definitely we're gonna come back to a place that gives us little extras like this and helps us give a better review for sure.
You're also gonna wanna make sure that you check the amenity section to see what extras that particular vacation rental will have. Sometimes I'm willing to pay a tiny bit more for the nightly rate if there are lots of extras in the homes, like maybe they have a gaming system, maybe they have Netflix and Hulu and all that stuff included in the house and on all the TVs. Maybe they have bikes, maybe they have water toys. All those things are great extras to have in a vacation rental. And if you are worried about the vacation rental you're looking at, if you're maybe doing a vacation rental in another country and you're a little sketched out, what you can actually do is check the reviews. The reviews are from verified people who have stayed at that location, who have had experiences with that location. So check the reviews if you're ever unsure if you should be booking that vacation rental property or not.
All right, so we just got home from our vacation. We had a blast. I hope this video helped you guys, and I hope the tips helped. So you guys know next time when you go on vacation, whether you're gonna wanna book a vacation rental or whether you're gonna wanna go with a hotel. And hopefully the tips will make it seamless and super easy for you too, so you won't have any issues or problems, and you'll feel confident knowing which vacation rental to actually book on your next vacation. If you guys are brand new to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you guys subscribed. Also click that notification bell so YouTube will email you when a new video goes live for my channel with more money saving deal tips and all the wonderfulness on my channel. And if this video helped you guys at all, please give it a like so I know and I can do more travel videos. Traveling is like my most favorite thing to do, and I love getting deals on it, so I have lots of information. I'd love to do more videos, but I only want to do those videos if a lot of you guys want those, if they're helpful, if you want more of them. So let me know below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.